Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Eunice and today I'll be talking about the mistakes I made when running my business. Guys, this is a very personal topic that I'd like to share with you guys for those upcoming businessmen, those who are running businesses and those who are starting the businesses now. Remember, this month of September, I was sharing about tips on how to make money fast, top businesses that you can start with no capital or 1,000 shillings. So guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much and God bless you. So these mistakes that I made when running my business costed me my business. It collapsed. Literally, it collapsed. Yani biashara ilianguka. Yeah? So one of the mistakes that had hit me hard was underpricing my goods. About 6 years ago, I was running a business, a thrift shop, where I was selling kitchen utensils, glassware, cutlery, cookware, among many things. And it was a very good business because it was new in town and they were second-hand. That's why they are called thrift. So the mistakes that I made are I underpriced my goods. When I get my stock, what I used to do, I just do some calculations like this. By the way. And then I said, I used to have a lot of customers. I don't know if they were coming to buy because of the low prices compared to the other people who are selling, or it's just that they loved me. I can't tell even up to now. So the mistake I did not do a market research to find out what the other sellers were doing, or the other sellers were selling their wares. And that made me go into so many losses while running that business. So if you are running a business, if you are starting a business, if you are about to start a business, do a market research. Find out that item that you want to sell, how much it is going for in the market. Then you can be able to gauge from how the amount that you are buying. And then the other factors, there are transport charges that you incurred when bringing the items. There are so many things to factor in, but find out what your competitors are selling the price, the goods at. The other mistake I didn't have good records from whatever I sell. What I used to do, I used to have only one book where I would write what I sell. If I sell a cup, if I sell a glass, I write. Those ones I used to write. But that is not how the business is run. The business is run this way. You have to have two books. One book is like this book. You see this one? This is a small one, a small notebook. On this notebook, what you do is you draw a line in the middle. On the left side is money in. Right side is money out. So what you do is all that you sell, you put in money in. All that you buy with the money in that business, you write here. Let's say, for example, a customer comes and buys goods worth 500 shillings. You indicate what he bought and then the total amount. And then, katikati ya biashara, katikati ya siku, you buy yourself lunch of 50 shillings. You indicate on the money out because you have used the business money to buy that. So you indicate everything. If, for example, these local county fees that small businesses pay per day, you indicate. If it is water, you indicate. Then at the end of the day, this small book, you should have another big book. It's called a hard counter book. I'll put a photo to show you how it looks. So on that hard counter book, you do the same. You draw a line in the middle, money in, money out, and then you transfer what you have sold during the day. You remember that maybe during the day you have so many customers coming in, coming out, and you're not able to write it on the other book. So at the end of the day, before you close the shop, you sit down, transfer what you have written here to the other big book. On that big book also, at the back, you have to write the stock that you bought. Let's say, for example, you went and shopped for goods worth 10,000 shillings. You have to indicate the date, the goods you bought, and the amount. This one will help you to track how the business is faring. You can do the mathematics and everything, maybe weekly or even monthly. With that, you'll be able to know if you are making losses or you are making profit. Okay. The other one was poor management of cash flow. I really didn't know anything on how to manage cash. I would not tell you that I know. I used to spend that money, spend it on things that are outside, and it hurt my business because I was not able to pay my personal bills. Remember, I was depending on that business, and I was not able to pay the business bills. So it caused a lot of problems. The other one, I was not separating my personal income and my business income. Remember, when I'm running this business, I was also running some other few things that I was doing on the side. So all the money that I got for myself, I would still put them in the business. Nachanganya hapo, nanunua stock, nauza. Remember, the stock that I'm buying, I'm underpricing. So if I'm getting the profit, lazima hiyo profit ikwe kidogo, ama hiyo profit hata hakuna. So it really messed me up. Kabisa. I was really messed up. The other one was overspending. I used to overspend a lot. Remember, I am a business person and there are neighbors there who stock other things. Or even there are people who pass with items they are selling. Maybe a shoe for my son. I would buy. Using the money. I would see a good dress, buy for myself. I would see a good shoe for myself, I buy. I would go and make hair with that money. Remember, this money is meant for the business, to buy stocks, to pay bills, to make profit, to pay myself. I did not pay myself. I ran that business for 9 years, but I cannot tell you even one day I got a salary from that business. I was just spending the money that was in the business. I ended up having a lot of losses. I ended up not being able to stock my business, and it really hurt my business. So if you don't have stock, if you don't have running capital, what do? You run and get a loan. What I did, I ended up getting into debts, serious debts. I went and took loan from this person, from this person, from this bank, from this facility, from this circle, from where. Naeka kwa biashara. Nikiweka kwa biashara, ile pesa, kumbuka, nina underprice my goods. So sitakuwa able kulipa hawa watu wote. It brought a lot of problems. I had to talk to my uncle and my auntie. May God bless them. They guaranteed me a loan. I took a loan from KCB to put a stock in my business, at least to keep it running. I started paying my my debts kidogo kidogo. But there were some people who are not very patient. They would embarrass me in the business. They would call me. I was frustrated. I was getting high blood pressure. I was becoming thinner day by day. I was not also able to pay the bank loan that my auntie and uncle guaranteed me. Yote. I paid some amount, then they had to pay the other. The bank itself called my auntie to tell her that, you know what, the person you guaranteed the loan has not paid this month. She has not paid last month. For 2 months she has not paid, and she's saying the business is low. So what we do, we take your salary, because her salary was going through the bank. Can you see how it is embarrassing? It is a very embarrassing season for a businessman to be embarrassed. But my auntie and my uncle, they paid that amount. I think the balance was around 30,000. They cleared it. They said, let's clear so that this girl can have peace of mind. And also as we just be in good books with the bank. Debts can collapse your business. So if you're taking a bank loan, if you're taking a circle loan, if you're taking a loan from someone, make sure first you have a plan of how you're going to pay that loan. Don't have a plan after you've received the loan, because you'll not have a plan. Let me tell you, you'll not have a plan. Sit down, make sure that you have a plan, a detailed plan of how that loan will be paid. And your business will not have problems. The other thing I think I overlooked on marketing my business. I relied mostly on friends, family, acquaintances. I relied on I think that, by the way, I did not advertise my business on vile Facebook watu wanafanya siku hizi. And there was Facebook. I did not advertise there. I did not advertise on, I don't know if Instagram was there, but Facebook was very active. I did not do that. I relied on the groups of people that I've told you. And remember that when you are running a business and it is successful, the people that you rely on, they back off. You know, they have already bought whatever you are buying, you are selling. So they don't need it. They don't need anything. So if you call a customer and they don't come, it's because they don't need that item. They've already bought from you. So that one I overlooked also, and I think that also hurt my business a lot. I wish I would have advertised my business that time. So guys, I'm ending this video by saying, have a plan for everything. Research. Don't overspend. Don't overlook. Get to know each and everything about the business so that you'll have a prosperous business. So guys, thank you so much for watching until the end. May God bless you. See you in the next video. In the coming month, we are going to do more about traveling. I'll give you tips on traveling, how to pack, how to book your tickets, how to book your hotels, how to travel with kids, how to travel with friends, how to do solo traveling, how to travel for business. I'll give you tips on all that. So watch out on for my videos. Hit the notification bell just next to the subscribe button. Press the icon that says all. Then you'll be able to know when I upload my videos. Thank you so much. Please, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment and let me know what you want to see in the next videos that are coming up. Also, share with your friends. Like this video, and God will bless you. So guys, bye bye.